Okay, so today is day 2 of documenting this journey, and today I am actually working on my offer. And I have been working on my growth operating business offer since last week, but I want to make it really, really good because this offer is like the foundation of everything, and the foundation of any business is literally the offer. So I'm reading Alex Harmozy 100 Million Offer book. I'm almost going to complete it today, and also I've collected a couple of videos from the YouTube and transcribed those videos into a document, and I have put in all of those resources regarding offer, how to create winning offers, how to create offers where you can charge like literally $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 upfront, you know, into ChatGPT. I've poured all the resources into ChatGPT, and now the only work is like just completing this offer and finalizing my offer. And once the final offer is finalized, I will move on to creating content strategy specifically to acquire clients. So it's not about building my personal brand, it's about like building a content strategy that helps me to get leads and clients on in an inbound basis, in a predictable basis, and having a lot of leverage upfront, so that I can charge like $5,000 upfront. And I know I can charge that because I have some ideas in my mind, some strategies and tactics that I can use to charge that much, anywhere between like 3K to 5K. So yeah, that's the plan, and yeah, it's going good so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.